Currently, XRP is starting to see some movement here. We are talking about XRP. The Rlusd has recently launched, so we have to be really cautious on what to do next. Within the hourly time frame, you can see that it had a nice little pump, and then also had that little bit of a drop here, right around a 6% drop, but we're starting to kind of make some moves back. I think we're going to retest around that 272 very shortly. Right now, we're starting to see some patterns here on the 4-hour as well. We are rejecting around that 264 on the 4-hour. Getting above to that 264 on the 4-hour chart would more than likely send us back to that $2.90. This is where some longs and shorts are going to be into play. That's when you're going to do a lot of support and resistance trading. Remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only, so make sure you do your due diligence before ever investing into the stock or the crypto market. Make sure you guys do join and get Discord access, get access to both of the indicators that you do see on the screen, get access to the buy and sell alerts that I do have for altcoins and stocks daily, daily whale activity, cryptocurrency, stock market news posted daily, get access to study guides, practice tests, flashcards, and more. We currently have over 2,500 members, so come and check us out. So right now, let's go ahead and let's talk a little bit about Rlusd. This coin has started to see some movement today, and on around 5 exchanges that it has been released on. They're working on getting it released to more exchanges within the year of 2025. So they recently had the stablecoin. It's attracting bids up to 836 XRP on on-chain marketplaces, despite being paid to $1. They're also seeing high price transactions for small quantities of a new token or NFT. They did go live on the XRP ledger today. That's something that we have seen. Also, it is attracting bids up to the 836. More than likely, what we're seeing here today on Rlusd is going to be a little bit bullish on XRP. That's going to bring some volume back and forth between the two. There is money to be made on both sides of that, so you definitely want to be able to play both sides. Going back to the chart here, you can see that 264 is definitely coming back up, getting closer to 265. More than likely, what we're seeing here also on the 5-minute time frame is also that same little bit of an increase. Everybody thought this was going to be a double top. This is definitely going to fill this gap here around the 264, 265. More than likely going to be trying to leg up to that 272. That's going to bring some more volume once we do get around there, as we know XRP is more than likely not going to stop from here. So let's go and let's take a look at like the 2-hour time frame. You can kind of see the up and downs. And it was also become overbought around this time, so that little bit of expectation of a little bit of a drop is going to happen. And you're going to have to really see that, definitely with what we're seeing here in the recent little bit. We did make some money on Crowcoin on the Patreon, making money on Crowcoin last night, over a 10% gain very quickly. We did make that pretty quickly, and I am still bullish on it. I do think that we're going to try to get around that 20-cent range and make some more profit on that as well. Stellar Lumens also made pretty good money last night as well. You're also seeing Litecoin and Solana right now up and down, up and down. But Litecoin had that big little pump today. 4% green candlestick starting to pump. I did issue a signal out on LTC as well, and that was something that we are also making money on at this time. Make sure you guys do join that Patreon, because at Patreon I do post my buys and sells. Also, you do get access to the indicator just for $1 per day. Right here, you got ApeCoin currently down, Shiba Inu currently down as well. Same with Dogecoin. Bitcoin's trying to pump again. Looks like Ethereum's kind of consolidating, but with XRP, I still think we're going to have that target of that 272. Breaking through that, we'll more than likely see that 290 going into that $3 range. That's if we can keep that volume still currently up. That volume is currently 16.4 billion in the last 24 hours. On the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're on extreme greed at 81. The market cap on XRP currently is 151 billion. The all-time high of XRP is $3.92. So we got to be really cautious with what we're seeing here, definitely coming on XRP. We are currently up on XRP on our position as well on the Patreon and the Discord. Right now, we did get in a good little position right here. Currently up around 10% on within just 25 hours, guys. 25 hours. That's a pretty good little gain. We've also seen that on Crowcoin. Same with Litecoin. We're seeing it on a lot of these cryptos. So we are having good entries and exit points, and we're continuing to make those plays throughout the day as well. We're also doing some shorts and longs. Definitely whenever we start to see some support and resistance trading, that's when there's good opportunity to get in and out of these positions. We're seeing it here on the 5-minute as well, looking like we're also trying to climb back up to that 265, getting closer back to that 272. So we got to be really cautious here, but at the same time, see if we can see some of this movement. My price target is still going to be around that 272 going into that 290 today. If we do see some price action, I will let you guys know. Join that free Discord. If you can't join the Patreon, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also subscribe. It really does help out the channel a lot. Thank you guys for watching.